Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by updating your browser so extensions run correctly. This prevents compatibility problems. Once done, pick a trusted blocker such as uBlock Origin or AdBlock Plus and install from the official store. Make sure to grant only necessary permissions and pin the extension for easy access. You're doing this to stop scripts and network calls that serve ads, which improves page speed and privacy. Finally, open the extension settings to prepare for the next step, where you'll fine-tune filters and exceptions. Once the extension is installed, open its dashboard and enable essential filter lists like Easy List and Easy Privacy. These collectively block most ads and trackers. Make sure to add regional lists if you browse non-English sites. Then, enable pop-up and autoplay blocking to stop intrusive media. If a site you use frequently needs funding, whitelist it rather than disabling the blocker entirely. For persistent elements, use the element picker to create custom rules. This surgically removes banners without breaking site layout, which I'll explain next. To finish, clear your browser cache and cookies, and then restart so new rules fully apply. This resolves stale content and session issues. Next, review all extensions and disable any duplicates or heavy privacy tools that conflict with the blocker. Fewer overlapping filters mean fewer site breakages. If a page fails, inspect the console or use browser safe mode. Disable filters one by one or reset custom rules until the page works. And remember, whitelist trusted sites rather than turning off protection entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.